In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Yahoo Mail support. If you're stuck with sign-in problems, a forgotten password, a compromised account, or issues sending and receiving email, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can reach the right help faster. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Yahoo Help Central at https:/help.yahoo.com. You can type that address directly into the address bar. This is Yahoo's official help hub, and it's the safest starting point for any support need related to your Yahoo services. Once the page loads, you'll see options for different Yahoo products. Click on Mail to get to the Yahoo Mail Help area. This ensures the guidance and contact options you see are tailored to email-specific issues rather than other Yahoo services. On the Yahoo Mail Help page, you'll be asked to choose the issue that best matches your situation. You'll typically see categories like login issues, password reset, hacked account, or email problems. Pick the one that's closest to what you're experiencing. Don't worry if your exact wording isn't listed. Choose the category that makes the most sense. Selecting the right category helps surface the most relevant help articles and, when available, the correct contact path for your case. After selecting your issue, scroll down the page. Look for a button or link labeled Contact Us. If it appears, click it. This is the gateway to reaching Yahoo's support channels for your specific problem. Depending on your region, account type, and the issue you selected, Contact Us may open options such as guided support, a virtual assistant, or a form that routes your request to the right team. If you don't see Contact Us, it can mean that for your selected issue or location, Yahoo is directing users to self-help articles first. In that case, try refining the issue category on the page, or return to the mail product area and choose a slightly different description that still fits your problem. A few quick tips while you're on the help site. Be cautious about sharing sensitive information and only provide details through Yahoo's official pages. You may be prompted to sign in as part of verifying your account. That's normal on Yahoo's own site. If you're on a shared computer, remember to sign out when you're done. That's it. Open Yahoo Help Central, select Mail, choose the issue that best describes your problem, scroll down, and click Contact Us if it's available. Follow the prompts provided there, and you'll be on your way to getting the help you need.